Okay, Mr. Lee, what do we have here?
Science video.
Yes, we have Snap Circuits Junior by Snap Circuits Elenco. Learn by doing.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's unbox this thing.
And you can build 100 electronics from that. Hey, why did you use Roblox gift card?
Because it's... Alright, so let's see, what do we got? We got the directions. Snap Circuit
Oh, this is supposed
blackout card. Okay, that didn't really work. Alright, and what else?
all this stuff.
Oh, right.
Oh, look. Hey,
Yeah?
this.
I guess this would be our circuit board, huh?
5.
Yeah? Okay.
3.
3. Put this where everybody can see it.
1.
That's weird doing everything in reverse. Alright. So we got our handy dandy electronic snap circuit, experiments 1 to 100. Alright, let's look at the projects listing while you go through all the parts.
What happened here?
I think they're just magnetic together. Alright, buddy, what kind do you want to make? A bomb sound? A bomb sound 2?
That, I'll tell you what I want.
Alright. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. What project do you want to do?
Let's see. I want an ambulance contact.
Space War alarm combo?
I want an ambulance contact alarm and the police one. There's a police one too.
Alright. Well, let's start on this side. I think they start hard, or start easy and they go hard. So let's do an easy one on this side first.
Okay. We'll do this one. The one.
Space War alarm combo?
Yeah.
Alright.
Look, there's a fan.
There is a fan.
Look.
Alright. Space War alarm combo. The objective: to combine the sounds from the Space War and alarm integrated circuit. Alright, so an integrated circuit. So you see here where we got these directions. So let's get...
U3. Space Wardic.
There you go.
Here.
Space Wars integrated circuit chip. Yeah, let's... Was there holes on here? Okay. There we go. It just sits on top.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm going to get the
And we
blue
gotta
wire.
that got to go between C and D.
Hey, this looks like headphones.
Yeah, it does. Okay, so get U2. That would be our alarm integrated circuit.
1 space high.
Oh,
1 space higher.
1 space higher. Yep, good job. Okay. There's one.
Ah.
Here.
I got the other one.
You got the other one. There you go. Alright. And then we're going to need one of these long ones. I think it's this one, Mr. Lee. Alright.
I didn't know there was one that is 9.
Yeah, there we go. Alright, so what do we need now?
A red wire.
Red wire.
Looks like red headphones now.
It does. It's like speaker wire, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
And that's like the speaker wire.
Here we go.
5.
Here, I'll put one in, you put one in. I got it.
Where does this belong to?
Alright, look at the diagram. So it goes, oh, no, goes to the long end. Good job.
Where does the 5 belong to?
You know what? I think we probably might have put the 9 one, or should have put the 5. Good catch, bud.
Let's put the 5 here.
Yeah, let's put the 5 there. Alright, good work. Alright, so let's get...
Oh, this one.
This goes on slide F. Alright, so we need the S2 switch. And that goes between this one and that one.
Here?
Yeah. So we gotta...
There.
Yeah, alright, now we need the three long blue one.
Oh, there's only one of them.
All right.
Here's
That also goes to Space Wars. All right. So you got when we work with electricity, you always gotta complete a circuit. Now we need the photoresistor. R2.
this.
I think that's.
No, I got.
You got it. Sorry. Okay.
Is it this one?
It's that one.
This way.
These are single snaps placed beneath other parts of spacers. Okay. Okay, you got it. All right. Good work.
Uh-huh.
Now we need some spacers.
Look.
There. I got one here.
Look.
Yeah?
We need some batteries.
We do.
Uh-oh.
That'll come later.
That'll come last.
All right. We need an S1 switch with a spacer. And do you see one of the 4-length blue bars?
Yes, I think so.
All right. You wanna...
It's stuck with the twos.
Oh, okay.
Why?
We'll take the 2s off of it. It's to save space in the box. Can you get it?
No.
All right.
They shouldn't made it here.
This needs to go on 7 and 8.
This needs to go near
Oh,
the
wait, wrong
batteries. I want to take the batteries one.
All right, go ahead. Put it in there.
Oh, wrong way.
That's all right. Good
Look,
work.
now we can see the batteries.
Nice. Okay.
Uh,
So the S2 switch. There you go. Perfect. So this would go here. Oops. And we needed one more spacer. We got a lot of stuff going on, don't we?
it's not working.
All right, that goes between them. That's your on-off switch.
It's pressing on.
Ooh, there it goes. All right, now we need speaker.
I got it.
All right,
This is SP.
that's it. That's the speaker. And that one goes on block 5. Is that block 5? Yeah, you're right. All the way out of the top of block 5. You were right. There you go.
And we need a Glock. That's Glock 9. That's Glock 5.
Did I push down? All right. So we need the 2s. I think this goes like that. All right, bud. Now you put a.
A 3?
Yeah.
3 makes 5. 3
Does
is
it?
2.
All right.
Now what?
We need the lamp.
What kind of lamp? This?
The L1. The L1 goes right there.
Here?
Yep. There you go. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Fantastic. Now we'll connect that.
The speaker is not working.
And we need a 2 to go between here and here.
It
And
looks pretty crowded.
it is very crowded, isn't it?
Here's another one piece. I think it belongs here.
Oh, there we go. Let's see. So it's another 2 and another 2.
I got a 1.
Yeah. All right. Here, push that one down right there. Oops. All right.
What?
And I think this goes on top. You getting it? Oh no, that just means there's a spacer underneath there. But good try.
What is another one?
All right, we need a 2 blocker.
Yeah. This looks scary.
It does. All right, here. Put.
R1.
Oh, okay. Connect all these together up top. You got it? Wow, good work.
I got it.
You did. So it says.
What do we need a 3 for?
What do we need a spacer here? Oh. This is not super easy, but it's not hard.
It's not easy. It's not hard.
Yeah. Okay. Where's the 3 at?
There.
Thank you.
And there is another 3.
Alright, so we gotta put a 2 here. Here, put the 2 there, between those 2.
Okay, so it's going up.
Yeah.
Why-
Alright, so look, let's see, does this match all of our directions?
Yeah, I think it does.
We'll run through this first one while we learn. All right, bud.
Oh, I see. It's missing the...
We might have to troubleshoot this, but what's Papa's job at work?
To get money?
To fix computers. Computers, electronics. To probably fix electronics. All right, there's one battery. Put in the other one.
This way?
No.
Other way?
Yeah, there you go. So the spring always goes to the flat part of the battery. All right, here's the moment of truth, bud. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, lights on. I don't hear any noise, though. But we got the light on. Here. First thing we do, make sure everything's connected. So push it all down. Yeah. Alright. Oh, I felt the loose one. Alright, turn it back on. Oh, the light's on brighter. Speaker's not working. Oh.
I did it.
Yeah? Do you hear it now? Here, let's spin her around. Don't put that in there yet.
Why?
It's just something's loose. No, this one's just not me.
No, stop.
Yeah, I don't know why that one's not making a good connection. Here, turn it off. Let's see if we can replace that. Raiden, what's Papa's favorite number?
33.
You nailed it.
Oh, yeah, look.
Alright, now try this one.
To here?
Yeah. So electricity needs a good
Healthy one.
contact point. Here we got the boosters. Alright, let's put those twos back in there.
1, 2 there.
There you go. One more.
Where?
Right here.
Uh-oh, the 2's backwards.
Is it? Madness. Alright, you ready? Turn it on.
Hey,
Yeah, awesome. We did it.
let's do the ambulance one now.
Alright.
That was kind of easy.
That's kind of easy. Alright. We'll work on electricity. We take the batteries out first. Alright, bud. So let's wrap this one up because 10 minutes is our perfect video time.
Okay.
So-
And then we can make another one.
Yeah, we know we can make one without making a video. So what did you think about it, Lee? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Out of 10 points, what would you give our electronics kit?
8.5.
8.5 is what you got. Alright, high five me, bud. Alright, say goodbye.
Bye.